Thanks to its redesign for the 2021 model year, the Lexus IS has angular, contemporary look. That hasn't stopped Lexus from spritzing up the look even more for the 2023 IS series by introducing new appearance packages. While the V6-powered IS350 has its own aesthetic package with a two-tone exterior, the V8-powered IS500F Sport receives a striking new orange paint color dubbed Molten Pearl. Only 150 IS500s in Molten Pearl will be produced. The outside is orange, and the inside is black NuLuxe with 19-inch matte black BBS wheels. The key sleeve and floor mats will also have the same color scheme. Only the better-equipped premium trim level has access to it. The IS350's exterior paint color is gray Incognito, while the roof and hood are black Obsidian. Additionally, it boasts a black NuLuxe interior and dark finished 19-inch Enkei wheels. There will only be 480 pieces made in it. Additionally, Lexus has divided the 2023 IS350 F Sport into two versions: the F Sport Design, which mostly comprises cosmetic modifications, and the F Sport, which also includes equipment such as an enhanced exhaust and a new instrument cluster. For an additional $1,610, the F Sport with rear-wheel drive also offers a handling package that includes mechanical improvements like a limited slip differential and adaptive dampers. This same package costs $770 for odd vehicles since it excludes the limited slip differential. This autumn, according to Lexus, the IS range for 2023 will be on sale. The 4-cylinder IS300 has a starting price of $40,585. The IS350 F Sport Design begins at $43,660, and the IS500 F Sport Premium starts at $62,770.